Hey there, it's Steven with Ericom Inc. And today I'm going to be talking to you about why you may be in trouble if you're still just using tape or a disk for your system backup. Everyone is looking for that end-all backup solution for data recovery, and worst case scenario, you're trying to get something back for people, and you want to do it cost effectively, and you want to have a system that is really solid and is definitely a powerhouse in terms of catching all the little possible holes in your system and making sure that it's truly fail-safe, or as fail-safe as you can realistically be in this business. The big element of this system that I think is, I won't say new, but maybe just kind of a newer to most people, is bringing in the cloud for your backup and your storage. It's no matter how you like to argue against the cloud, or people are anti, releasing control of something. It's really hard to beat the cloud for just reliability and just kind of outsourcing your backup to a whole nother entity where it's completely off-site and totally monitored and regulated by somebody else 24/7, and that something that you can just add to your arsenal. So what I'm talking here is not replacing your on-site backup by any means, but literally bringing it on as a complementary, third level of security, of keeping everything, triple backed up. And a lot of guys with cloud, they're like, oh, it's just so expensive, and I'm paying per gig of data, and let's face it, 90% of the stuff that we back up, we never touch. And so the thing to know, though, is that a lot of the cloud providers do know this as well, and they do offer tiered storage. So if you're already doing like a storage area network, and you want to tier it in the cloud so that the stuff the newest data, or the stuff that you need to really get back quickly if something hits the fan, you can put that on a higher cost tier for the storage, but the recovery is much faster and more rapid if you need to get to that. Otherwise, the rest of the stuff that you're not going to need to get to, or is not time sensitive, if you have a meltdown, you can put that on the lower cost tier, which will cost you much less, and your data is still being backed up, still treated equally in terms of integrity. It's just going to take a little bit longer to access that or get that back. If you do need that. But that's a way that I really like that some of our providers have kind of made cloud SAN or cloud storage a lot more economical especially for guys that are like, hey, I already have a couple of good systems in place, I want to add something else, but I don't really need to think I need to blow all this dough, or just completely rely on cloud, because cloud is not, there's nothing that's 100% fail-safe. So, definitely not saying, throw out everything you have and just go to cloud. I think that's obviously a little bit folly in terms of thinking. So going forward, I think you want to really think about all this stuff and try to bring in these elements so that you, as a sysadmin or an IT guy, you're really confident and comfortable that all your data is being stored and backed up, and that you can truly save the day. We all love to be the hero for the day when something goes wrong and they're breathing down your neck. So that's something that we just like to talk about and research daily here at Ericom. And if that's something that you want to talk to us about, or we can maybe steer you in the right direction, we'd be happy to do it. Just hit us up and give us a call or tweet us or whatever, and let's talk data backup in the cloud.